Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change payment method for Uber Ride. So one of the reasons why you may need to do this is that perhaps maybe you actually need to use your Uber Ride and change it to a business credit card just so it can be tax deductible, for example. And so there's not going to be a lot of steps to this, guys, so just stick around. But even so, what you're going to do first is go ahead and log onto your Uber app. And then on the bottom hand side, you're going to click on activity. And then you're going to find that past ride which you just visited. So let's go ahead and click on this past ride that I did on October 2 last year. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down where it says get ride help. Need help for something else? Find it here. So go ahead and click on get ride help. Now what you're going to do here next is you're going to be given a series of prompts. So with these prompts, you go ahead and click on help with something else. And then Uber is going to reply, please choose one of the following options. Now from these options, you're going to click on change payment method for this trip. And then from here, this is where you're going to be able to actually go ahead and change your payment method for this trip. So because this was a trip that's over a year old, you can only change the payment methods for trips that are less than 30 days old. So if this trip was less than 30 days old, you would just go ahead and follow the prompts as far as selecting which payment method you'd want to update this trip for. But because this trip, as you can see here, is 395 days old, you won't be able to actually go ahead and change the payment method for it. But if your trip is less than 30 days old, you should be able to follow the prompts to actually go ahead and change your payment method for this particular Uber ride. So that is how to change payment method for Uber ride. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.